Are you interested in taking photos of your dog just like this? Well, if you are, today's video is for you. All right, let's jump in and take a look at the setup. First, I'll start with the subject. That is Kahlua. Our background is going to be a roll of 4x8 map paper. I got mine from a local store named Hobby Lobby, but you can get something similar from any local craft or hobby store for that matter. Next is going to be the key light. Mine is a Godox 8600 with a cheetah stand 34-inch round softbox. I know it looks square here, but the software that I used wouldn't allow me to add a round one. After that, let's look at the kicker lights. I use two Godox 8200s with a grid on them to avoid any sort of extra light spill. The last light that I use to illuminate the background behind our subject is a Godox 400, also with a grid on it to better control the size of the circular light behind Kahlua. Finally, the lens I used was an 85mm, and my camera settings are an aperture of 5.6 at 1/200th of a second and ISO 100. Now, once you've put everything together like I've just explained, your photo should look something like this. If you've enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more content just like this.